Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. Oh my gosh, it's been a while since I had my real hair out. Yes, I took off the weave. Well, not took off, took out the weave, and my hair is in like a little process. It's currently being braided all the way back to my in a bun in the back of my head. Anyways, I'm on a hair journey. I mean, I think everybody's on a hair journey during this quarantine. My new weave came in, and finally the needle and thread. So I'm excited, but you're not here to hear my rambling. You're here for my opinions on what's on my face. Yes, there's a makeup review as you saw from the title down below. Also, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe. If you're subscribed already, what's good? Now let's get on to the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is the KVD Signature Brow Pencil. This is a really good brow pencil. It has a spoolie on one side, which is great for combing out the brows, and it like really like sticks in there like, ooh, yes. Okay, I'm doing too much. Anyways, this retails for $22. Is it worth the price? No, I don't think so. It comes on like a little slanted moments. Oh, there's no more product. The product must have came out. Okay. I had like a little nub in there to show you how it was slanted, but it must have came out because it was on this last bit of product. I use this for about 2 months consistently, so it's good for 2 months if you're going to use a brow product over and over again. I got it in the shade Granite in my Boxycharm before, and it's like a black shade. I'm more in the shade of Walnut, which is like a dark brown like my hair right now. It comes in a slant, so it made my brows easier to do because it made perfect lines and it helped me carve my brow. And then I lightly penciled in like the little brow hairs that are not there, like filled in them. That's what you do, yeah. Anyways, it's a very, very weird product. You have to warm it on the back of your hand before you even put it on it, because if you just use it straight out, it can take away some brow hairs. I'm not gonna lie. It's a very hard product if you don't warm it up in the back of your hand, like an eyeliner, like one of those kohl eyeliners that are like really, really cheap. That's basically what it is. But after that, then it's good. So it's not worth the money. So but it's a good brow product, but it's not worth the money. I think it should be priced at $10, but because it's KVD, they're like, oh, $22. But it is what it is. If you're looking for a brow product and that has a lot of shades, I would suggest Fenty. But if you want that angled tip, then Kat Von D is your girl. Well, not Kat Von D, KVD Beauty is your girl. KVD Vegan Beauty. Anyways, next product. The next product that I use is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. This retails for $32. The big size. This is a tiny little sample, and it's very, very good. It actually is what I'm wearing underneath this foundation today, and this foundation is a matte foundation. It has no shine. Yes, I have been wearing this makeup for like about 6-7 hours, but it gives a shine even through the foundation. Like, it's really, really good. And I like this primer, but it's not good for oily skin, girl. Okay, I'm combo, so this makeup is not lasting anywhere because I'm only going to the store and coming back, and I'm taking it off and going to sleep. But it's lasting, and this is a okay primer. I really don't do hydrating primers. I do the one hydrating. I do a priming moisturizer or a moisturizer. Yeah, my priming moisturizer type of formula, but this is like a gel formula. Here it is on the back of my hand, and there it is rubbed in. You can see the glowness, like it gives a glow. Okay, now let's talk about some Boxycharm products. This is a trio brush set that I used on my face today. I like 2 out of 3 brushes. Let's just keep it honest. This is from Opulent Beauty. First of all, it comes in this little pouch that is very, very cheapy. Like, you can see through it, and it just feels cheap. It doesn't feel luxury. These brushes retail for $40, and I don't think it's worth the money because some of the brush hairs are not like they're standing up. They're not cut straight. Some of the brush hairs are like coming out the brush as I'm speaking. Wow. Also, when I first got them, it was like glue on the handle, but I do like this powder brush to put on the blush. I used it today to put on the brush, also to powder my face. Also, I use this bullet brush. This is what they call it. It's like a tapered, funky brush that's losing hair too. This I like under the eyes and also to put on highlight. They're good brushes just to get into a box, but would I pay for them? No, I will not pay $40 for this, and I don't suggest you pay $40 for this. I mean, you could get a better powder brush, a bit better highlighter brush from Luxie or Morphe or Farrah, okay? And this foundation brush is not a good foundation brush. Well, they call it a flathead brush because it's not dense. It's very loose. Like, it soaks up so much product, and it was very hard to move around the foundation with this brush. So next product, I'm just giving up fails. I mean, the hydrating primer is a good primer for hydration. Would I buy it? No, because I have combination skin, and I told you my preference. It's just about preference. The brow pencil would never be purchased, only during the VIB sale, which is now, but I already have brow products, so I'm not going to purchase it. And this I will not buy, but it's great to have brushes, even though they're falling apart. Next product retails for $45. This is the Smashbox LA Cover Shut Eye Palette, and it has a liner inside. This is what the packaging looks like. Like, ugh. They get an A for packaging. They have A for like the way the layout is. You could tell which color is which. Also, it's not creasing. It is not creasing. It's staying on the lids. And also the eyeliner that I have on today is the gel eyeliner, and it created a nice wing. I haven't done a wing where the gel eyeliner is so long, and also it's staying onto the waterline. But this is not a waterproof eyeliner that's in here. It does fade away, but it lasts for a very long time. These are what the shades look like. I would say the eyeliner like lasts like 6 hours, up to 6 hours, 7 hours. That's how long I've been having my makeup on, so it lasts up to that. But yeah, so it's like a neutral palette, a little grungy, pops of color. The color is just what I have on my eyes today. They do not fade away, and it was like one dip and pigment. Like, it's pigmented, it's blendable. The only thing that I wish that this palette was with the eyeshadow formula, that the shimmer just was more shimmery, you know? It's good, it's basic, it's a regular shimmer, but now we're living in the age of duochromes, multi-chromes. I just want more pizzazz, and they don't have it in this palette. I would have to put like a glitter topper or something over it, but it's a good palette, and it's worth $45. I mean, you get eyeshadows and you get a liner. By the way, this is the liner right here. It's just a regular gel eyeliner. It has some shadow on it when I did the wing. But what I really don't like about this eyeliner, the only thing that I don't like about this eyeliner is that it has the hard, almost dropped the camera. It has the hard plastic, so it's really hard to sharpen. That's the only thing. But besides that, I really like the way it's creamy. It's very easy to smudge. It lasts long. It's not waterproof, but it lasts long. And you can create a nice, simple wing. Yeah, you got it. The next product retails for $34. This is the Becca brush in Delilah. This is what the blush looks like. Here is it on my hand. How I like to put on this brush is like with a tapered brush, because it just like dispenses the product better, and also because it's more sheen than pigment. So with this blush, it gives a luminous to the cheek, but it's more sheen, like it's more sparkle than actual color. What I had to do to create color underneath was go in with my other Becca blush and my Becca palette from Holiday. Like, I tell you guys all the time about this palette. But I went in with that blush, and then I put that as a topper, and then I used one of the highlighters in the palette. But this blush is really good. It lasts for a very long time. I had this makeup for like 6 hours. 6 hours. I had this makeup on for 6 hours, and it was still on before I put it a little bit on the blush. On the brush, and just like put it on. So now it's more on my face. Oh, I'm tired. Anyways, the next product we're gonna be talking about, the last product we're gonna talk about, is the Hourglass lip gloss. I think it's like $30 for this. I don't know. Everything will be linked down below. All the links, all the prices linked down below. Also, if you want to check out my Mercari, link down below. Contact me, linked down below. Anyways, I got it in the shade Halo. That was on my lips today. It doesn't glue. It stays on for a very long time. It's very moisturizing, and it has a minty scent. And the packaging is just unreal. I mean, what did you expect from an Hourglass product? The doe foot, I mean, it says H on the top. The doe foot is like this little powder brush. You only need one dip for your whole lips, and sometimes you don't even need the other side. I really do like this lip gloss, but it's not worth the much money that it is. Okay, I think $20, I don't know, it will be down below. But this lip product is just a regular lip product. Yes, it has like a little cooling sensation. It has mint. It smells good. It's luxury products. It's a luxury packaging. It looks really great. It's a great topper over liquid lipsticks, but a lot of other lip glosses are. And if you want a really high-end lip gloss purchase, Hourglass is your girl. But besides that, you could probably find a cheaper alternative. So overall, I like the lip gloss, but I don't think it's worth the money. I mean, I think it's worth the money with the packaging and everything else, but I don't think you should spend your money on it unless you're treating yourself. I like the eyeshadow palette and the liner that comes with it. It's not the best shimmers in the world, but it's like amazing mattes. Very pigmented, very blendable, stays on for a very long time, doesn't crease. Like, I like this palette. The only thing is that the shimmers. Also, it doesn't go well with wet formula, like a tacky base, so you do have to set your base. But besides those two things, it's a great formula, and it's 45 bucks, and you get a palette and a liner. The blush, I really wouldn't pay $34, but that's my preference because I like more matte blushes than shimmering blushes, and I will use this as a blush topper. But the good thing is that you only need a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way, and it's good for 24 months. So it's good for 2 years, and you probably would need it for 2 years. Like, if this as a blush topper, like me using it as a blush topper, it will last in my collection for 2 years. So I'm glad. Am I mad that I got this? No, I'm glad that I got this because I love Becca's formulas with their powder products. That's one thing I could say. And is it worth the money? I don't really think, I'm a cheap person, so I really wouldn't spend $34 for an illuminating blush. But am I happy to get it? Yes. Is it a great product? Yes. It's just preference. Brushes, the powder brush, the highlighting brush, I like it, but they're losing hair by the moment. They're not trimmed well. They're just cheap feeling, and they're 40 bucks. They're not worth the money. Again, pencil, not worth the money, but is a good product. This, I wouldn't pick it up, but it is worth the money. It's a good product, but I wouldn't pick it up because of my skin type and preferences. I hope you guys liked this lengthy video. Have a great day, have a great night, whatever you're watching this. And it's probably been 15 minutes already. So I hope you had a snack and relaxed and got the reviewing on with me. Anyways, bye you guys. Oh my gosh, this is a long video. Well, surprise. A surprise lengthy video. Bye guys.